Ever wondered how much your eating habits impact your fitness goals? Well, let's delve into that. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in our fitness journey, often more than we realize. Picture your body as a high-performance sports car. Just as that car needs the right fuel to perform optimally, so does your body. No matter how often or how hard you hit the gym, without proper nutrition, you might not see the results you're expecting. It's a common misconception that exercise alone is the ticket to fitness. But consider this, you can't out-train a bad diet. Eating the right foods can help you build muscle, improve endurance, and speed up recovery. On the flip side, poor nutrition can lead to fatigue, poor performance, and even illness, so it's crucial to understand that what you eat is just as important as your workout routine. Remember, the food you eat can either be the safest and most powerful form of medicine or the slowest form of poison. So how do you create a meal plan that complements your fitness goals? Let's break down the meal planning process into 4 easy-to-follow steps. First, identify your fitness goals. Are you aiming to lose weight, gain muscle, or maintain your current physique? Your goal will determine the type of foods and the amount you should be eating. For instance, if you're looking to gain muscle, you might need to increase your protein intake. On the other hand, if losing weight is your goal, you might focus on reducing your calorie intake while ensuring you're still getting the nutrients you need. The second step is to understand your nutritional needs. This means getting to grips with the basics of nutrition, such as the importance of macronutrients, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, and micronutrients like vitamins and minerals. It's also about understanding how different foods can affect your body and your energy levels. For example, complex carbohydrates like whole grains can provide sustained energy, while simple sugars can lead to energy spikes and crashes. Thirdly, plan your meals around these nutritional needs. This might seem daunting at first, but with a little research and practice, it becomes second nature. Start by determining how many meals you'll have in a day, and then decide what each of these meals will consist of. Make sure your plan includes a variety of foods to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. And finally, the 4th step is to prep your meals in advance. This can be a real game changer. Not only does it save time during the week, but it also helps you stick to your plan and resist the temptation of less healthy options. You can prepare everything from breakfast to snacks, lunches, and dinners. And remember, meal prep doesn't have to be boring. Get creative with your recipes and make meals you're excited to eat. Meal planning isn't just about what you're eating, it's about making sure that what you're eating is helping you reach your fitness goals. So, take these steps and start your journey towards a healthier, fitter you. Now, what does a meal plan look like for different fitness goals? Let's dive right in and explore 3 common fitness goals: weight loss, muscle gain, and endurance training. For each goal, we'll look at a sample meal plan that meets the specific nutritional needs. Firstly, if your goal is weight loss, your meal plan needs to create a caloric deficit. This means you'll be consuming fewer calories than your body burns. So for breakfast, you might have a bowl of oatmeal topped with a handful of blueberries and a sprinkle of chia seeds. Lunch could be a grilled chicken salad with a variety of colorful veggies. Dinner might be steamed fish with a side of quinoa and steamed broccoli. And for snacks, think raw nuts, fruit, or yogurt. Next, if you're aiming to gain muscle, you'll need a calorie surplus, particularly in proteins. Start your day with scrambled eggs, whole grain toast, and a banana. For lunch, a lean beef stir-fry with brown rice fits the bill. Dinner could be a grilled chicken breast with sweet potato and a generous helping of green veggies. Snacks might include Greek yogurt with honey, a protein shake, or a handful of almonds. If endurance training is your goal, you'll need a meal plan rich in complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. Kickstart your day with a whole grain bagel topped with peanut butter and sliced banana. Lunch could be a hearty pasta salad with chicken and plenty of veggies. For dinner, consider a lean steak with a side of baked potato and green beans. Snacks could be fresh fruit, trail mix, or a granola bar. Remember, these are just samples. Everyone's nutritional needs are different, and your meal plan should reflect that. Whether you're shedding pounds, bulking up, or training for a marathon, the right meal plan can make a world of difference. It's all about finding what fuels your body best, aligns with your fitness goals, and of course tastes great too. Remember, these are just samples. Everyone's nutritional needs are different, and your meal plan should reflect that. Need some recipe ideas to get you started? We've got you covered. Here are 3 recipes that are quick, easy, and nutritious. First up, we have the protein-packed oatmeal scramble. It takes just 10 minutes to prepare. Begin with a half cup of oats, whisk in 2 eggs, and cook it on the stovetop. Top it off with a sprinkle of chia seeds for an extra fiber boost. This meal is perfect for breakfast, providing you with the energy you need to kickstart your day. Next is the quinoa salad, a vibrant and refreshing dish that can be whipped up in under 20 minutes. Start with cooked quinoa, mix in some fresh veggies like cucumber and cherry tomatoes, throw in some chickpeas for protein, and dress it with a drizzle of olive oil and lemon juice. This nutrient-dense salad can be a part of your lunch or dinner, fitting seamlessly into any meal plan. Lastly, we present the banana berry smoothie, a delicious and nutritious snack that takes just 5 minutes to prepare. Blend a ripe banana with a handful of mixed berries, add a scoop of your favorite protein powder, and finish with a splash of almond milk. This smoothie is an excellent post-workout snack, replenishing those depleted energy stores and aiding muscle recovery. Remember, the beauty of these recipes lies in their versatility. You can easily swap ingredients based on your personal taste and nutritional needs. These recipes are just a starting point. Feel free to get creative and make them your own. So, to summarize, we've delved into the critical role of nutrition in fitness, how to strategize a meal plan, some examples of meal plans tailored to different fitness objectives, and a handful of easy-to-prepare recipes. It's essential to remember that your fitness journey isn't solely about the exercise, but also about nourishing your body with the right nutrients. So let's take these insights and put them into action. Remember, the key to achieving your fitness goals isn't just about working out, it's about fueling your body with the right nutrients. Happy meal planning!